How are you doing? I'm Martin from Gardens for Life in Birdland Homestead. We are having another seed and plant swap. It's a Homesteaders of Ireland swap meet on the 12th of May. So this is a big shout out to all of you homesteaders out there, or even those of you that are just looking to homestead, or even if you don't know what homesteading is. You're very welcome to come along and participate. It's a free community event and it's mainly designed to create a community and to do some networking with like-minded people. We've had these events for a few years now and they've gone very well. A lot of people have attended from all walks of life and all around Ireland, and we've all had a great time having a cup of tea and having a chat along with some seeds and cuttings and plants. And you can also bring along whatever you have. Even if you don't produce anything yet, you can still come along anyway and get inspired by all of those that do. So if you're looking to learn more about homesteading, please do feel welcome to take a look at our YouTube channel, and please do ask us any questions you might have. So the event itself is actually happening in Cullion Hall in Knockrockery, County Roscommon. More details on our website. If you have a surplus of seeds or plants or cuttings, you can bring those along, or any kind of homestead produce or any kind of handcraft products that you might have. So you can bring those along and either donate some to the prizes for the raffle, or bring them to swap for. Come along anyway, even if you don't have anything to swap for as well. So it's an honesty system. You just bring in what you have, you leave it on the tables, and you take whatever you like. And that has worked for us very well, and everyone has gone home with a generous amount of inspiration, seeds and cuttings as well. So this time we're looking to include skills as well, and we're going to host casual workshops. And if you'd like to participate in our event, and if you'd like to volunteer and teach any skill that you might have that you think that other homesteaders might benefit from, just send us an email and we'll keep a table for you. And that could be any time during the event, so you don't have to be there all the time. Feel free to bring along some prizes for the raffle, or maybe some baked goods, or just buy a ticket for the raffle if you'd like to support us if you have nothing to swap for. Or just come along and do some networking and help us create a community here in the Midlands of Ireland and all over the country. And take a look at our previous event videos as well. See you later. Bye bye.